And do you know what happens in the month of April?
April Fool's Day, Peanut Butter and Jelly Day, World Rat Day, Drawing Picture of a Bird Day, National Siblings Day, Buy Zosh MFG Day.
Which is all true. But did you also know
April is National Testicular Cancer Awareness Month?
Bro, why are you yelling?
'Cause I can!
Did you know that between 8,000 to 10,000 men will develop testes cancer each year? The chance of developing testes cancer is 1 in 270 people. That's crazy. That's crazy. But look, King, do not let this scare you. Don't let this scare you. I'm gonna let y'all in on a little secret, but shh, don't tell everybody. Only the men. Don't tell women this. They don't need to know all this. I mean, they can if they want to. Who am I to judge? You feel me? Now look, homie. If you keep your testes well groomed, well maintained, clean, nice, smell fresh with the Manscaped Perfect Package Kit, then look, bro. Then you lower the chances of, you know what I mean, your testes getting mesties. You peas me. Now I ain't no doctor or nothing, but you know.
It just makes sense.
Hello? Is this Manscaped? You gonna do what to my what? You lying. For real? Open the call. Alright, hold on. You trying to FaceTime? Say less. Say less. Now that we're FaceTime, let me see how you look like. Oh, okay. Okay. I see you got the crop preserver ball deodorant. Ooh, and it's anti-chafing? All right, I see you. Ooh, the crop reviver. Okay, and it's a little spray bottle. Okay, nice. Then we have the lawnmower 3.0. Oh, with RPMs up to 7,000? Damn, that's faster than my car. Oh, so you put in the work, huh? Okay. And I see we have some attachments. You want me to lift you up? Okay, hold on. What we got on here? Oh, we got a travel bag and some performance box briefs to help our balls breathe. Oh, you're too kind. You way too kind. The good people over at Manscaped has partnered up with TCS. And no, that does not stand for the corner store. Crazy. TCS is Testicular Cancer Society. Manscaped has partnered up with TCS. Raise awareness for the most common cause of cancer among men from 15 to 35. Bro, that's wild. Us men are down bad right now. But it's okay. It's okay. Like my cousin K-Dot said, we gon' be alright. And they're giving support for fighters, survivors, and families impacted by testicular cancer. And if you want, you can perform simple routine self-checks at home while enjoying Manscaped products you use every day, like their crop preserver ball deodorant, crop mop ball wipes, and the lawnmower 3.0 body trimmer. This guy. And for the worst part, yup, you see it. I'm saving you 20% off and free shipping. Use discount code Zosh at manscaped.com. Join the Manscaped movement. Help spread more awareness across this issue amongst us men. Okay? And thank you to Manscaped for sponsoring this video. I'm not gonna hold you, bro. This not having content is kind of trash. I think so. In a week's time, in a couple days' time, everything is gonna change. I just don't like not having content, bro. This is AIDS. Right now, I am being a city boy, and I'm about to go up 2 million because I'm about to go commit a crime, stealing your heart. But I think I'm just gonna go over to Randy's house, go kick it with Randy, since today is his day off and he ain't really doing nothing. Probably should go see Fred too. I don't know, man. Go check on the homies. See what the homies doing. I just be needing something to do, man. You in me, man. God damn, man. These are like my favorite Reeboks. My gym shoes. My Nano X's. They fire, ain't it? I know.
You are now listening to 99.9 Jams with my man Zosh. Gonna bring the hot fire for your boys. Your motorize you.
What you heard is what you hearing. Is what you hearing. X gon' give it to you. Wait for you to get it on your own. X gon' deliver it to you. Knock, knock, open up the door. It's real. And where my niggas at? Much for too long. What? Don't give up, it's a storm. What? Come to the wild, wild hunters. Yeah. You think it's a f***ing game? DMX. Ride or die. DMX and I be the best. You see the rest of it looking like they need it. One more time. Everyone that we got it, come and get it. We win it. All you gotta do is set it, baby. Ride or die. What time is born? What time is born?
Man, it's a full house in this bitch. What happening, kin folk? With the same skin folk? Hey, Fred, what a coupe at, bruh? I gotta get vlog content, so I gotta act like I didn't see you.
I'm tired of hearing that shit, bro.
For real, people ask you what a coupe at?
Every fucking day.
I was just joking.
My dog. I
It's
already
more
seen
to life
done, bro.
than the coupe, bruh.
You feel me?
I be trying to tell these people. They be like, yo, bro. I'm like, bro, there's more to life than this car stuff,
They think
dog.
I only care about my car, but I got a bunch of other shit going on in my life.
Facts, me and Fred trying to build a racing simulator team. Y'all gotta, hey, if y'all trying to be on the squad, get a simulator and you know.
Like, I honestly don't like cars that much.
I'd say the same thing, but people think I'd be lying. I'm like, nah, I really don't. Like,
Cars is not that much fun, bro.
it's really not if you think about it. I just want to have a cool looking car and be known for like being a race car driver. That's really that's it. That's pretty much it.
Shit. Hey, Percy.
What's up, bro?
Hey, Fred.
It's easy.
It is. I don't know what's up with this shit.
Yeah. Today on an install of whatever, Fred is installing some AN hoses. I mean fittings on some AN line. Randy trying to watch a video while Fred do. I do the same thing. Randy be fucking up my car. I gotta watch a YouTube video. My bad to throw you on.
Why is it like push it down like that? It did it earlier when I did it.
I'm starting to think that hose might be clapped. You might have a clapped hose, bro.
It's the same hose I use on my shit.
Oh, I don't know. I'm just the man with the camera, dog.
It ain't folding no more.
Oh. Beat it. Yeah, bro, I'm a good cameraman. TMZ should hire me.
All you do is hold the camera, but you don't work on shit.
I'm not even on the own shit.
Wow.
Yeah, work on the car, probably doing a whole change about it, still fuck it up.
Yeah, guys, watch me do a whole change.
Oh, y'all serious with this right now? Y'all real playful today.
Hey, bro, can y'all come by? Just
Can we
pretend
what?
y'all pull up and pretend y'all watching me work, but
Really and truly off camera.
yeah,
You do the work.
Do the work. You show himself on the camera doing work.
Wow. This how y'all feel?
Edit the clip where we working on it.
Oh, yeah, that's how y'all feel. Y'all want to sit down and talk about this like men?
On his Instagram video when he be dropping the gearbox in like 10 minutes, that's realistic. It's just us. He just take the credit for it.
Well, damn. That's crazy. That's crazy, man. Like, for real. I might gotta stab one of y'all, bruh. My feelings are
I'm putting
attacked.
your business out like that.
It's alright, bro.
It's the truth, bro.
It is the truth, dog.
Haircut, bitch.
Don't tell nobody. Making progress, boys.
Shit, they're 47, bro.
Whatever that mean. Randy Vice's clap. So,
Bitch was
it was free. And what's the famous quote?
Everything ain't free and good, bro.
Facts.
I'm not telling her right now.
Mm-hmm. You heard him, bro.
so I mean maybe the line ain't good because it was free.
You got the line for free?
I bought it.
I got it for free. You bought it. I didn't. Feel me? So,
All my shit A1 from day one.
alright, but if it's his shit, it's A1.
Do that look A1 to you?
That bitch do little clap, right? I ain't gonna lie to you, homeboy.
Hold up. Look at this shit, right? That shit come out, right?
That bitch unwind itself.
You gotta pull that bitch out.
That bitch got a 1932 vice, bitch. That was on a Titanic, bitch. That bitch, they found it in the ocean and brought it back.
Here you go, Randy.
Here you go, Randy. A
bitch
pilgrim came by and dropped that shit off, bruh. Hey, look, it's Randy. Let's give him one of these.
Y'all filmed them, son?
I think so. I don't know. I have no idea. That's crazy, man. Praise God. Yeah, praise.
Now, this second part, you gonna have to be precise. You feel me?
Let them know, Fred.
Measure twice.
Cut once. I tell everybody that, bro. If you're gonna do it, you're gonna do it once. One and done, on time. Big gang, big bars. You know the vibes.
You think I want to do this, bro? You think I love to see you hurt? We was boys, man. We grew up together, bro. I was there for you when Shonda cheated on you. I was there for you when Jamal left you to die in the grass, bro. I was there for you, dog, and this is how you repay me. This is how you repay me? You step out on me, bro. You go out to dinner without inviting me, dog. This is what we do now. This is how we moving. That's crazy, bro. I thought you was my man, them, dog. Like what? My man, them. Like that's crazy, bro. Like you want him? Like where did I go wrong, bro? I feel like is it me? Am I not doing something that works for you? That's crazy, man. Like I genuinely thought we had something, dog. Like I thought we was gonna grow old together. You know what I mean? Bad bones for life, dog. Have our kids be friends. You know what I mean? I end up dating one of your cousins. You know what I mean? Nah, that's crazy, man. I can't believe this, dog. Like this hurts me. And I'm hurting inside. And I'm tired of hurting. I want to feel what it feels like to be at peace. To love yourself. Cherish yourself. You ever wake up in the morning and think, why me? Why me? Why must I deal with this? Why, God? Why? And you just can't answer the question.
Go to the corner of the road, brother. If you fucking body for fucking speaker box.
I just don't understand why you do this to me. We was best friends. And you do me so wrong. Why, God? Why? What did I do to forsake you? Hey, what that is, bro?
Bruh, this nigga has a Tupperware of frozen ice bricks, son.
Yeah, you break.
I'm out.
Tighten all the bolts. Now we are clocking the turbo. Well, at least trying to.
Sometimes in life, a broken clock is right 2 times a day. Quick update. When he got his feed line on, you guys can't see it obviously, but it's on. Next step would be chemo fabs. So I think, oh shit, I won't even be here this weekend. God damn it. Next time I film a Randy's update video, his car should be done.
If nothing goes wrong.
Yeah, if nothing goes wrong, it should be done. Damn, dog, I'm gonna miss it. Y'all gonna have to FaceTime me, bro.
I miss it too. I'll be at work this weekend.
Oh, damn.
Whole weekend.
Never mind.
I'm on noon day. I forgot Monday.
Never mind, bro. Randy's a good friend. He's lending me his MacBook Pro while I'm on the road to edit vlogs so I don't, lose content while I'm out at Hybrid and Grid Life and stuff. Nami is such a beautiful car. She's so birdifer. She is just so birdifer, bro. All right, just left the gym. It's 7:40. I got 20 minutes to get home to watch All American with Mom Dukes. So I came by Walmart to buy some chocolate chip cookies. Sorry, chocolate bit bookies. So yeah, bro, that's yeah. You guys should be hopefully watching this on a Monday. All American lasts 1 hour, so this video might be up late, like around 11, because I gotta edit it. So yeah. Oh shit, you guys probably won't watch this video on a Monday. Damn, because I shot a Manscaped ad.
Shit, yeah, you guys will watch it on a Monday. You guys probably watch this. I don't even know when you guys will watch this video. But I hope you love me, because I love you. And that's all that really matters, to be honest. Ooh, just in time. Whoo, that was crazy, boy. All American is the best show on TV, dog. The best show on cable is All American. Fight me if you don't believe me. Nah, why would I resort to violence? Give me a kiss if you don't believe. You better not. Boop. A bit two-stepping.
What?
That's it. You reached the end of this video. Now look, bro. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Whatever this was. Plus a like for me and my dying, failing YouTube channel. Damn! My YouTube channel is dying. Alright, that's pretty much it. If you did not enjoy this video, leave a dislike on the video. Let's see if I can sign language this. Alright. Hey man, I love y'all. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.